Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Brayton. I am the owner of Hoboken Chiropractic and Wellness in Hoboken, New Jersey, and I've been a member of Generations for 8 years. And I'm just very grateful to be a part of the community of Generations and to have Dr. Claudia as one of my mentors. She's been instrumental in helping to guide me in creating a family wellness practice that I knew I always wanted to have. I always wanted to create that type of practice, but out of school I didn't feel prepared to go out and serve the pregnant women and the babies, and that was really important to me. So there was a disconnect there. So she really helped to fill in the gap of improving my skills as a practitioner in serving that population. But a lot of what she offers as well is the guidance, the education, the materials that Generations provides to its members that I utilize often in my practice, whether it's flyers that are up on the wall, or it's a newsletter that's on my website, or printed and handed out in my office, other resources that she's turned me on to that have really felt useful and valuable, whether it's books in my lending library. It's so many different options and resources. The reception DVD that plays continuously in my waiting area, that is just constantly planting the seed for people in my practice about why chiropractic care is so important for children, for pregnant women, and really for the whole family. And so that's really been the messaging that I've been committed to putting out in my community, and having the support from Generations has been a big part of that, and I'm just very grateful for that. You know, even the PowerPoint presentations that she's provided, I've gone out and I've done those in different areas in my community, and you know, people appreciate that. You know, you're going out, you're giving information that's not mainstream, it's not well known, you can't assume that people know, and you find all the time that people don't know that they should bring their baby in to get checked by a chiropractor, or how valuable chiropractic is during pregnancy, not only for pain relief, but for an easier labor and delivery and proper baby fetal positioning to avoid C-section. All of these things that people really want to know and are really looking and yearning for this information. They're looking for a drug-free, surgery-free approach to their health for their families, and they just may not be aware that chiropractic is an option. And so, you know, I almost feel like it's a duty, because this is not mainstream and people aren't just automatically flocking to my office when they have different issues with their families, that it's up to me to get out and go to them, as opposed to them expecting to come to me. And part of that going to them is direct to the families, and part of it is also developing relationships with other types of practitioners in my community, because they can also serve as a great referral source for my practice. And so Dr. Claudia has been really helpful in providing, for example, script pads that we use to give out to OBGYNs, midwives, and pediatricians to educate these practitioners about why it's valuable to refer their patients to my practice, why it's safe, why it's valuable, and you know, they can actually be a part of helping that patient's health through that referral. And that's what I think is so valuable. They don't have to be the one to fix the problem, so to speak, but if they can guide and direct their patient of where to get help, and my practice ideally is a part of that, I think it's hugely valuable. And even other types of practitioners, connecting with them, acupuncturist and cranial sacral therapist, massage therapist. I've developed a really great, strong relationship in my community with these other practitioners, so that they're aware of what I offer, I'm aware of what they offer, and there's this continuous flow of referrals back and forth, and recognizing that, you know, this is what I'm very good at, and this is how I can serve that patient and that family, and how else can we support that patient-family unit in getting their optimal health and wellness, and really improving the quality of life for that entire family.